This Instagram reel has got over 48 million views in less than a month. 6 things you should never tell people. Number 1. Don't tell people your plan. And this page has got more than 500,000 of followers by just posting 24 reels. And this another reel has got more than 14 million views and got more than 3 lakh followers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create such kind of videos for your Instagram page. As you know, now Instagram Reels can also be monetized. And you can also get sponsorships if you do have a good amount of followers. So let's begin this video. I have divided this video in 4 steps. First, we are going to generate our character image. And for that, come over to Mr.Ai, and now we are going to generate the image by clicking on Generate button and now type the prompt. Write what kind of character do you want, or you can copy my prompt too. It will generate characters for you. Now download the character. Step 1 is completed here. And now in step 2, we are going to animate our character. And for that, we are going to use another AI tool, which is DIDAI. Now search DIDAI in Google and open the first link. Now if you don't have an account here, just sign up. After signing up, click on Create Video. Now upload your downloaded character. Here step 2 also gets completed. Step 3 is generating script for our video on which character will animate. For script, you can also record your own voice, or you can write a script. But I'm going to show you a better way to do this. By using an AI tool, which is ChatGPT. Come over to ChatGPT, and now I'm going to write for 6 Truth of Life. And here it generated me the script for our video. Now just copy it and paste in there. After completing the script, choose the voice in which you want to animate your character, and download the video. Here step 3 gets completed too. Step 4 is generating captions, or you can say subtitles for our video. And for that, I'm going to use Vid.io. Come over to Vid.io and then click on Upload Video, and you can crop it in a ratio of 9:16 for Insta Reels. After that, just click on Subtitles and it will automatically generate subtitles for you. You can also customize the subtitles however you want them by clicking here. And now I'm going to add some background music in it, and then just download the video and upload it on your Instagram and grow your page and become unstoppable.
Six important truths of life. Number 1. Change is inevitable. Number 2. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Number 3. Happiness comes from within.
Now, if you want to learn how I made a faceless YouTube channel, then click on the video showing in right side of your screen. Or if you want to know how I made passive income source apart from YouTube, then click on the video showing in left side.